Hello and welcome to the final episode of Bamboo's Stock Market Course 2.0. Okay, it's time for me to flex small, guys. Okay? So, I currently have shares in Apple, Estee Lauder, Bank of America, and that's not even it.
Okay, investor. Give them.
So you guys can check out my full portfolio now via the Bamboo app. Head to the app and look for the tab that says Temi's Portfolio.
Oh, wow. I actually just checked this. You're a serious investor. So guys, if you want to join Temi and start investing, come with me. The Bamboo app is quite easy and very simple to use. You can start buying stocks in less than 30 minutes. So Files, you ready?
I'm ready. Let's
All
go.
right, let me be your guide into Bamboo.
Come on.
Getting set up on Bamboo is easy. All you have to do is download the app from your phone's app store and start the registration process. We'll ask for some important details such as your name, phone number, email, and a few other things. We'll also need your ID to verify that you are who you say you are. But once you've filled all the necessary details, your account will be set up and you're ready to make a deposit. To make a deposit, go to your profile and tap the deposit button. Put in the amount you want to deposit and it'll show you all the deposit options, and from there you can pick whichever one is most convenient for you. And voila, your deposit will be done and you're ready to start investing. To buy stocks, all you have to do is search for the company that you're looking for, tap the buy button at the bottom of your screen, put in how much you want to buy, and follow the instructions. And that's it, you're a shareholder and on your way to becoming a millionaire.
No, I swear this is the easiest way to invest, guys.
Say no more. I've already registered, now ready to deposit.
Okay, that's
Let's
good.
go.
Well done. That is what we love to hear. Guys, be like Files. Investing doesn't have to be hard. We hope the Bamboo Stock Market course has helped you get started on your wealth creation journey. But if you have any questions or you still need some help, please feel free to reach out to our support team at support@investbamboo.com. We're all ready to help you.
So, Files, are you ready?
I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm gingered. I'm just gonna add some companies to our watch list.
Okay.
And we can start buying some stocks. I think a good starting place would be Apple. We spoke about Apple earlier on.
Yes.
Yeah, that would be a
yes,
good
yes,
starting
yes,
place.
yes,
So
for
I'll
sure.
start with that.
All right, that sounds good.
And we're always here. Anytime you need some help, we're your investor
got
buddies.
you.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you so
High
much.
five.
Thank you.
Yeah. Happy investing.